Craving for sausage roll, but you don't want to use sausage? Then this video is for you. I will advise you watch to the end so that you don't miss any special tip. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one. So let's begin. We'll be using plantain. This is not banana. This is a senior brother to banana. You will be needing a very firm, ripe plantain. Wash the plantain thoroughly, cut in chunks as demonstrated. Transfer into a cooking pot, add enough water to cover the lid, and move the plantains to your stove. Start cooking till they are very soft and tender. While the plantains are cooking, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? Once that is done, I added baking powder, some salt, and cornstarch for extra crispy and crunchy. Mix to combine very well. We move in with either butter or margarine. Once I add the butter, I move in with my fingers, start mixing till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, like I said earlier, after mixing, you should have a moldable dough. Now I am going to upgrade the dough. All right, I added some vegetables in there. I added some spring onion, bell pepper, and some shredded carrots. If you are with me at this moment, type upgrading the dough. Once I add the veggies, I mix to combine very well. Now it is time to add water. I start by adding the water bit by bit as I gently mix. Please do not be too hard on the dough. I transfer to the work surface so that I will have enough space to bring the dough together. Alright, once I bring the dough together, you should have this breakable dough. We are looking for a crust dough, alright? Now I wrap with a film. I will allow the dough to chill in the refrigerator with the big boys for about 10 minutes. In the absence of refrigerator, allow the dough to chill in your kitchen for 10 minutes. While the dough is chilling, let's check on the plantains. They are ready. Go ahead and peel and transfer into a mixing bowl. Look at the color of that plantains. The color is popping. Now I added some salt to taste. With the same vegetables, I added spring onions, bell pepper, and some shredded carrots. At this point, feel free to add any vegetable of your choice or any spices of your choice. Go ahead and mash with a wooden spoon. I'm sure you have that in your kitchen. After mashing, look what we have. I'm loving it. Do you know that I was testing while mashing because I couldn't resist the taste? All right, the color is popping. Spread it around and allow to cool down. Back to the dough, that is, after chilling with the big boys for about 10 minutes. Unwrap, dust the work surface with some flour, place the dough, arrange in a way that it will be easier for you to roll. Moving with the rolling pin, start rolling to flatten the dough. Shout out to you, Steve Glory, watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Dimaro from Benin, Edo, Nigeria. Naomi from South Africa. Christobel Kotoka watching from Ghana. And Splendid Royal all the way from Qatar. Whoops. Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, after rolling, I go ahead to cut the four corners of the dough just to have a perfect shape. That's all. Alright, it is time to move in with the sausage plantain. If you are with me at this moment, type sausage plantain. All right, go ahead and add the plantain filling, arrange properly. All right, once that is done, it is time to fold. Now I fold for the first time. After folding, arrange properly. All right, now I'm going to rub a little water on the surface of the already folded one. All right, just a little water, which is going to act as a binder to the dough. All right, now you are going to fold for the second time. Please don't fold more than twice. All right, after folding, at the exact ending part, go ahead and cut. You should have something like this. Repeat the same process with the other ones. Go ahead and cut in your desired sizes. Once I'm done cutting, this is what I have. Look at that. The sausage is ready. I'm loving it, and I'm sure you do. Repeat the same cutting with the other ones. Go ahead and arrange in a baking pan. I have shared the frying method previously. The link will pop up right now. Click on it in case you want to fry. All right, now after arranging in a pan, beat up 1 egg. Go ahead and brush with it. This is going to give it a shine at the end of the baking. Once you are done brushing with an egg, you can go ahead and start baking. But I'm going to make a slight cut with a knife. This is totally optional. Go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes, and there you have it. Look at that. It turned out so well. Allow to cool down for about 5 minutes. Take it out from the baking pan and transfer to your dish. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. Look at that. Super crispy, super crunchy, very flaky. Oh my word, everything in one recipe. I open it and this is what the inside it looks like. Mamma mia. I take a bite and this is what it looks like. Super delicious. Try it and get back to me. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.